Hello, today we're writing space facts about everything that we've been learning about space. So it doesn't have to be about Neil Armstrong, it doesn't have to be about the moon landing, just any facts that you've learned about space over the last couple of weeks, because this is our last week on space. So I've got you quite up close today because my fact file here is quite small, so it's quite hard for you to see. So I've got my title up here, it says space facts. And then I've got my 3 different sections. You could do 2, 3, 4, however many sections you would like. And they can be on anything that you would like them to be about space. So my top one here is the history of space. So I've got Neil Armstrong was the first man to step foot on the moon in 1969. He travelled in a space shuttle called Apollo 11 with Buzz Aldrin and Mike Collins. So it just tells you what the history of space was, one thing that happened in the history of space and who was there, how it happened, when it happened. The next one is what you need to take. There is no air in space, so you will need to take an air tank to help you breathe. There is also no water in space, so you will need to take plenty of water and food. So it just tells you things that you need to take with you. And then just some useful information, so some other facts that we've been learning about space. So we've got, there is no gravity in space, which makes it very hard to walk. This means you'll be floating, so you need to be careful. Remember, you can't eat bread in space because it's too crumbly. And we were watching a video of Tim Peake, the astronaut, the other day, where he was using water in space and he was batting it backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. And we were saying, would you be able to eat bread on a spacecraft? And we Googled it and they said that actually you can't, because if the crumbs come out of the bread and they float around in the International Space Station, they go into all of the controls and then the controls don't work properly. So we're really looking forward to seeing your fact files. It can be about anything to do with space. It could be about the planets, the stars, moons, any other spacecrafts that you've looked at over the last few weeks. And we're really looking forward to reading them, okay? So send them in to us so we can see them. Thank you.